Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week has something pretty cool to show you. Before I get into that, the wet result at the end of this video, it's in the wrong format. What happened, I took the wet result video for the Facebook format. I moved the piece to get the YouTube format, and it freaking fell off the stand. So the painting's gone, but you will still see it just be in a different format at the end. I ended up stumbling upon this thing that kind of looks like alcohol ink. So I was just playing around doing a faux pillow sky, and I thought, hey, I wonder what it would look like if I added a couple drops of a fluid paint into the pigment I was using and just kind of lightly stirred that to create lines. Well, it ended up looking like freaking alcohol inks, and I've been playing around with it this week. Different designs and patterns you can get based on how you're doing that. So I'm going to have a couple more videos over the next few weeks just showing you some of the different things you could do with it. I think it's really cool. So how we're doing this, I'm using a Shelly Art Bloom recipe. I put my white house paint pillow down, and I was doing like an ocean with a purple kind of sunsetty sky. So for my ocean colors, I did those down here. I wanted to do a comb through instead of swiping it over with a palette knife, just because it blends differently, and I've been liking the look of that. So I laid my colors probably about right here, layered up some different blues, and then ran through that with the comb. Then I came in with a palette knife, a Shelly Art cell activator, and in a few of the areas I put some small cell activator lines. Now for the cool part. So, sorry about that noise. So I had a pigment all mixed up. So this is mixed just like all of my other colors, just regular pouring medium. So I had this, and I wanted to add those lines. So I had two different colors of a Tri-Art liquid paint, and I just put a few drops, probably like 6 to 8 drops of the two different colors in there. And then I took a popsicle stick, and I very gently just kind of ran the popsicle stick through where those dots of colors were, just to kind of blend them. And I'll put pictures up so you can see what I'm talking about. Then, after I had that mixed, and I'll show you how it looked after it was mixed, I just poured this onto this big palette knife, poured it on, and then laid it down for my sky, spun it out. It's really cool because you get the lines like you would with alcohol ink and the transparency, so you can see different layers of color. And like I said, there are some different variations of this depending on how you lay that down on your palette knife. Whether you lay it across like this or up and down like this, you get totally different results. So I'll have some videos on that. I believe that was everything to go over with this. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after me, so make sure to check out the description and check out their videos. Thank you for being here, and I hope you have an excellent week.